So today in this tutorial we are going to see what is external, internal, inline CSS, or how to declare a CSS file in HTML or in another CSS folder or file. So let's start. So first of all we have to open our Visual Studio Code. Yes. So as we have first declared one.css file, and I am also taking one.html file. So first I will show how to declare internal CSS. So let's start. So now we will declare our internal CSS. So how to declare it? So it is very simple. You need to just put a tag in HTML file that is known as style tag. So I am taking a style tag. Okay, in style tag you need to declare the selector. So I am taking selector as first body, then opening curly braces, and in that we are going to take first background color. Like I want to change some background color, so I am taking some gold color. Okay, now we will see the change, what happens to the background. So I am going to just open one.html file first. So yes, our background image or background color has been changed, and it has been changed to golden. Okay, now we will see some more, like if I want to like font size, I want some 20 pixels. So font size in the whole body tag, like from here to here, all the elements or fonts would be changed to 20 pixels. So now we will see that change also. So yes, it has been changed to 20 pixels. Now if you want to center this, it is also very simple. You need to just text align to center. Now I will save it. Now we will see the changes. Yes, so we have got this. This is whole about the internal CSS. Now I am going to do same thing with the inline CSS. So let's check what is the inline CSS. That is also really very easy, not really hard. I need to delete this first. So this style tag. Okay, now we are going to declare our style or inline CSS in this tag only, that I have put the cursor here. Now we need to declare the tag same like style. In that we have to first take background color. So I am taking. Okay, first we will align the text. Style in this text align. Okay, center, then background color as gold, and I want some right now. Okay, we want the whole background as golden. Okay, so below I am going to style, then so now as we want our full background to be like color change, so I am going to take the style tag in body and taking the background as gold. Okay, now we will see. So I have declared the style in inline way. Like every tag I have declared the CSS, like here. So first I have declared CSS in body tag, then in like paragraph tag, in the second paragraph tag. In inline CSS method, you need to describe or you need to put the tags everywhere, or you need to declare CSS in every HTML element. Okay, now we will see the changes. So first I am going to cut this. then go here and again open one.html. So yes, the changes are same. Like we have declared first in internal CSS, we have taken our background as gold, align the images to the center. Okay, and one more thing is remaining about the font size. Okay, I will change the font size. Like font size we have taken 20 pixels. Okay, I will save that. Here also I will change font size as 20 pixels. Okay, now save it and we will see the change. Yes, so exactly we have done through internal CSS and now through the inline CSS. Now we will see the external CSS. Okay, just I will cut this hole. In external CSS you have to put the link tag to link the HTML file to the CSS file. So I will show it first how to link the external CSS file, and I recommend all of you to have a inline CSS or external CSS, because it is bit easier and convenient. So yes, we have to declare some inline tag, and here you need to put the file name. I have taken one.css, so I have taken that. Now we will go in one.css file, and now we will take here selector. So my first selector is body tag. In the body tag, same I am going to take our background color as like gold one. Yes, then like font size as 20 pixels. Okay, and lastly that I am aligning the text to the center. Okay, so what we have done in external CSS, I am going to explain it again. So first we have to declare the link tag which links the HTML file to the CSS file. So we have taken it here, you can see it. It is called as the link tag. In that we have to declare our CSS file name. Then our one.css file links with the one.html. Then in one.css you need to declare the selector and what the changes, what all changes you want here. Okay, now we will again close this file, open this. Okay, same changes. Now I will show it bit clearly. I am going to take some another background color like some red. Okay, now see, yes, we got changes. I am going to change some font to like 200 pixels. Okay, yes, 200 pixels is bit more. I will take some 100. Okay, yes, so this all changes you can done. So I have explained internal, inline and external CSS in this video. In the next tutorial we are going to see more about the what we can do with the help of CSS. So stay tuned, hit the like button, I get motivated through it. Thank you.